Karış.
Myself, Farooq Haider, research scholar. Today I am going to present my research work here in the form of the poster presentation. The title of my research work is Study of Copper Deposit to Iron Removal Tendency of Activated Carbons derived from orbital and indicum at different temperatures. So basically, in this research work, we have synthesized the activated carbon from the waste biomass of the plant, from the different parts of the plant, means stem, root, flower, leaves, and these activated charcoals are a class of porous and carbonaceous material having large surface area. It is a microcrystalline object and it is a versatile adsorbent. Due to the highly adsorbing power, this activated charcoal can be used for so many applications. Our objectives for the purpose of this research is to study the physicochemical parameters of this activated carbon. Here we are studying the metal removal tendency and the pH. And we are developing such an activated charcoal which is helpful or which is useful in some important applications like heavy metal removal tendency. And we are achieving the activated charcoal with the high surface area by treating it at different activated temperatures. And the characterization of this activated charcoal is done with the help of FTIR. So this is the material and methods. The biomass kept in the muffle furnace, then dried. After this, cooled in the desiccator, then soaked in the activated agent, that is ZnCl2, carbonized, and then it is activated in the muffle furnace at different temperature. Then finally we get the activated charcoal. So these are the IR spectrums of the activated charcoal, which tells us about its characteristics or its surface functionality. Here you can easily see, here it is a charcoal manufactured at 300 degrees Celsius, and this sample activated at 400 degrees Celsius. This temperature is activated at 500 degrees Celsius. We can see the different types of peaks are present. These peaks show the surface functionality, and as the temperature changes, as the temperature increases, the surface functionality of activated carbon changes. Now, this table is regarding to the metal removal tendency. We have prepared total 12 activated carbons, and these activated carbons have different metal tendency and different pH. First of all, we talk about the pH. All the activated carbons having the pH 7, 8, 7, 6.98, 6.76, means we can say that all the activated carbons having the pH between 6 to 8, and the pH between 6 to 8 is a favorable pH, and these activated charcoal may be used for some purposes like for making the toothpaste, for making the cosmetics. So these activated charcoals offer pH between 6 to 8 we can use in different drugs, different cosmetics. Now, the center point of our research is copper removal tendency. Here we can see that these are the copper removal tendency. Our activated charcoal, my activated charcoal gives 96.3% copper removal tendency. And the sample that we have prepared at 300 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Celsius and 500 degrees Celsius. As the temperature increases, the metal removal tendency also increases. So This is the resultant discussion of my research. The pH of most of the activated carbons in the range of 6.8 to 8.9 are useful for the water purification, cosmetics and drugs. And as the synthesized different, the activated charcoal synthesized at different temperature shows remarkable change in the remol tendency of copper second ion. As the temperature increases, the remol tendency of copper to positive is also increases, which is shown here.